guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Please hit the subscribe button before you leave here today. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being subscribed and supporting me in my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. So for today, I do have to clean my house too, and I'll probably do both, just to be honest. I may do my cleaning video tomorrow, but for today, you guys, I'm gonna tackle this refrigerator. So once you see this refrigerator, you're probably going to freak out. It is a mess, and also it's partially empty. We do have to also do a grocery shopping trip, so don't be alarmed. We're gonna fill it right back up. And yeah, so we make sure that we eat everything that's in our refrigerator to the best of our ability before we go shopping again, because we don't like to keep a bunch of stuff that's just gonna go bad. Now, I know that I do have bad stuff in here that I'm going to have to throw out, but for the most part, it's, you know, there's a couple of leftovers in there, and then there's just stuff, because I have kids and they will drink something down and then put it right back in the refrigerator. So I have no makeup on. This is normally how I do my cleaning videos, you guys. If you've been around for a while, I do not get dressed up to do my cleaning videos. I know some people do, and you know, sometimes I'll have makeup on because I already had it on, but I'm not gonna go put a full face of makeup on and get completely dressed up just to clean my house. So if you're interested in watching this clean out my refrigerator with me, then just keep watching. Okay, so before I start cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. Like I told y'all before, it is a disaster. So this is what we're looking at. I do need to do a full wipe down of the refrigerator, and then I need to get rid of some stuff that's bad, and then, you know, just kind of organize everything. It's just thrown in there, and this is what my refrigerator looks like on a daily basis. I'm not gonna lie to you guys and let you think I keep it completely clean, but this is what we're looking at. This is how it looks at the moment, and I'm about to tackle this, and I wanted to bring you guys along so that you could just watch me do this and maybe give you a little bit of motivation to go in there and clean out your own refrigerator. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, please leave me a thumbs up. That helps my channel tremendously. I am a new YouTuber, and it would be awesome if you guys would like to interact with me and leave me feedback and, you know, show me when you like a video, things like that. It really does help. So this is the best angle that I've got for you right now. I'm going to film a couple clips and see if I like the angle. I may end up changing it, but for right now, this is what we're working with. I'm going to close this freezer so that all of that food doesn't go bad. I'm only going to work on one side today. We've got this very antique refrigerator that came with the house when we bought it, and we're not planning on changing. I may move you guys a little bit. We're not planning on changing the refrigerator out until we remodel the house. Whoop, sorry about that. And we're just not going to remodel right now. We're going to wait a little bit. We don't really have the money to at the moment, so we're going to wait a little bit. But this is my lovely 1980s whatever refrigerator. It's a good refrigerator, and it works really well. So I do like it. It's tiny, obviously. Can't fit much in it, and what you do fit in it just kind of gets thrown in there. So I'm probably going to throw some music over this so that you guys can just enjoy me cleaning in a faster speed than what I normally do. So yeah, don't forget, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll show you guys my process of cleaning my refrigerator. Okay, you guys, on a serious note, I'm gonna cut the video just for a second. Help me. What in the world is this humidity controlled crisper supposed to be set on, and what goes in there? I tried to put vegetables in there and they froze. I have no idea what this drawer is supposed to be for and what humidity it's supposed to be set on. Please help. Alright, you guys, I am done for right now. All I got to do is go to the grocery store and get some groceries to put back in here. But for right now, I know we have so many condiments. Like, it's ridiculous. I understand it. But my entire family loves condiments. They just do. So we always, all of these little great value ones, like this chicken dipping sauce. Let me see if I can focus on it. Anyways, the chicken dipping sauce like this, all of these great value ones, they have so many, you guys. And my family loves to try those out, and most of the time we love them, so they end up sticking around in our refrigerator, you know, and we eat them whenever we eat chicken. So anyways, this is what the finished product looks like. I didn't get rid of a whole ton of stuff. A lot of stuff in there was still good, and if you saw me show this little gray container right here, this has my salad stuff in it. So this is everything that goes on salad right here on this shelf. Up here we've still got leftovers that are still good that we need to eat up. We've got some sour cream, butter, drinks up here. If you saw me show that, that is from our local Herbalife store, and I love to get those drinks. They give me a ton of energy. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I know, don't come for me for those condiments. I did go ahead and put my butter thing in here. I normally just have it out on my shelf, but I did have a stick of butter that was open, so I wanted to put it in there so that it stays good longer. Not a whole lot in the freezer. This is just about what it looks like before I go grocery shopping, and I'm not buying any more condiments. This is what we use until they go, you know, until they're out and we need more. But I will buy like food for the week and stuff like that. So we've got some cheese in here. We are completely out of lunch meat. Drinks, yeah, everything like that. Y'all saw me clean it. I do not take these shelves out every time. I kind of feel like that's pointless to completely take them out every single time. As long as you can spray them and clean them, then they're fine just sitting in there. Every once in a while I will take them out, disinfect them, or whatever I need to do there. But for right now, they're fine just being wiped down. So the refrigerator looks wonderful. Now it's time to go grocery shopping, so don't forget to stick around, you guys. I will have a grocery haul up very soon. Let's close that. Let's close that. Yes, I'll have a grocery haul up soon, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you later.